Try not to breathe that in, honey. Well, we done did it. 500 subscribers. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Thank you, Volvoed, number one, and in honor of Volvoed. It's 2:40 time, honey.
Is it?
In honor of 500 subscribers, I did not go and buy a $500 Volvo. I tried, I almost did, but the guy had the engine torn apart too far, and I didn't think I could put it back together today and then have it home fixed and edited tonight and up tomorrow, Sunday, because today's Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah, we did our live stream last night, 500 subscriber giveaway, and gave away a sweatshirt instead of a t-shirt, and a sticker. Yeah. Today, we are doing some trim restoration. You gotta stay in the shop.
No, I just want to be like halfway.
Today at Dean Machines, we're going to be cleaning up the old lady's 245 a little bit. So it's a 93 245, 180,000 miles about. Of course, the speedometer cable is broken. The drive gear probably in the odometer is broken. We have 3 different methods to do the trim restore. Right, first we have the Cerakote trim coat. Works pretty good. We already tried it on the driver's mirror. It kind of streaks a little bit. It's not like college. Not everybody likes streaking. Next we have your typical run-of-the-mill heat gun. We got this at Harbor Freight. It was dirt cheap. And it actually works really, really well. So I don't know what rating this is at. It goes from not on to hot enough to melt things. That's probably about all you need to know. And then of course, old trusty here, the ex-wife's best friend. She will burn your house down. But, what?
Oh?
Yeah, just kidding, honey. Keep this locked up, people. Anyway, easy. Fire it up, let it rip, good to go. We'll see what we can do.
So what you're supposed to do is just wipe down. Yeah, you just have to wipe down. Don't wipe back and forth because then it'll streak.
You just smear it on.
Yeah.
I've never done this method. Bumper wiping ASMR.
Mm-hmm. So you don't want to go like back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. You just want to wipe in one direction.
Is that Mexican band?
No.
With the mariachis? One Direction?
No.
No. Now that dries that color?
It'll dry down.
Heat gun. Squeeze on by here. Back in my day, we didn't have nifty little trim restore kits and whatever. We had to use the heat gun. We had to walk both ways. And we couldn't even get heat guns from China. But here we are. I definitely think the Cerakote stuff is much quicker. Yeah. Just takes a while. What do you think?
It looks like it's taking forever.
Yeah. I do feel like this method, you have to get this really, really hot.
Yeah.
And like, it's almost too hot to touch. Like right here now.
Yeah.
And that concerns me because I don't want to get the housing too hot. And also you're concerned about getting it so hot and causing the plastic to start to get fragile and splinter. Or get brittle, you know?
Yeah.
But it'll work, you know. I mean, if you absolutely had to do this, you had a heat gun, you didn't have other money, you know, you could very, very carefully do this if you had the time to do it. So, I don't think we want to do this through the whole car though, because you don't want to get stuff too hot. What do you think?
It's not as good as the Cerakote stuff.
Not as good as Cerakote, huh?
But it works.
It does work. But I think it's worth grabbing more Cerakote and going over this mirror. Look at this sucker. Spiffed right up, all nice and shiny. Door handles are nice, lower rocker's nice. Mirror's looking good. Got at least one of the wiper arms. Front bumper's looking good. But now it's time. If you'll take that, my love. We're not. I don't recommend this. This is dumb. Planes, neighbors, dogs, everything making noise today. I don't recommend this, right? This is dumb. This is very dangerous. You could very easily, I mean, it's a 240, right? The gas tanks are known for rusting out in the top and leaking. So imagine taking this sucker, trying to fix your bumper, and next thing you know, you're blown in next Tuesday, and not in a good way, like you made a wrong turn in Tijuana. But let's go fix a bumper.
Yeah, I don't think so.
No, okay. We'll come over here. Here's our little friend. if you're careful with it, you can get her to go. But you can see it smoking and everything.
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera's picking that up.
A little bit.
But, so it works, right? It works, but it's not the best. That's actually a really good bumper. I don't want to ruin that bumper.
But you already...
Come over here.
Look at this.
This bumper's not good. We're going to try this with a bumper that's already damaged. I'm going to show you what happens if you push it a little too far and you ruin the bumper. So this one, you can see Kenny Howard ruined my bumper. I'm going to send him the bill for it. But when you're trying to clean up your trim, you're going to town, right? You get a little too crazy with it and whoops, start melting it real good. Try not to breathe that in, honey. And then you start burning it. Clearly, right? What else do you think is going to happen? But if you do it, you can get some good results. I mean, you just got to be real careful with it. But again, I don't recommend it. Good way to catch something on fire. There you go. And don't do this. But let's try it on the lower trim. Like magic, people. Look at that. Call me David Blaine.
Because you're a magician?
Because I make things disappear.
That's not bad, but how long does something like that last?
I don't know. I should probably have cleaned this up a little bit.
Probably.
5 minutes ago, I didn't think I was going to be doing this today.
Now look at you.
Look at me now.
It's this spot.
Where? That?
Yep.
There you go. That's how you fix your molding with torch. Honey, we're ready to get this thing out of the garage.
Sure.
Let's get this out of the garage. Hop on in. Let's do this. Old lady's gonna pull it out. We're gonna look at this sucker in the sunlight. As much sunlight as we have, anyway. There it is. Da 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 da. Look at that sucker. Sucker looking good. Honey, what do you think? We've got too many good looking T40s, I think. You like it?
Yeah.
It's great, right?
It's good.
Mirrors came out good. And all the trim came out good. Oh, your vinyl's pulling up a little bit right here. But, you know, little things, right? Little things. Bunch of toys in the driveway today. Well, this side's looking good too. Door handles all shined up.
Definitely looks better than it did.
Yeah. Got rid of the dingy looking parts.
I said now we gotta paint the rockers so it makes the car look more put together.
Yeah, we can do that. Paint them black. Honey. What do you think of your car?
Looks good.
It's a good looking car. It's a 240. You can't hate a 240. It's a 245. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for this one. We set a 245 on fire. We spent some time to clean up. It was on fire. It count.
Is that what you're gonna put as your thumbnail?
I burnt my 240 and everybody died. Oh my god. Alright, that's going to be it for Being Machines. Apparently the neighbor's dogs want to be part of the video. So, how about you go out in your garage and you fix something? Right, honey? Say bye.
Fix everything.
What's that?
Fix everything.
Fix everything?
Fix everything.
No, one at a time. It's fine. Just take your time. You'll get to it when you're ready, okay? Don't let her tell you. Don't let her tell you. Anyway,
I'm
going to die. How about... Bye. Have a good night.